Hi, I'm Paul. I know what you're thinking. Oh, great. Another wireless ad. I know how you feel. And it seems like they're always full of this complicated, tricky language about their networks and offers and blah, blah, blah. Well, Sprint is going to do things differently and let you decide for yourself with their new 100% total satisfaction guarantee. Try it for 30 days, love it, or your money back. See? Simple. Now get both Sprint's unlimited plan and the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10e included for just $35 per month per line for 5 lines. So switch now. Visit your local Sprint store, sprint.com, or call 800-SPRINT-1 today.
30-day guarantee with new line of service. S10e, 128 gigabyte, $15 a month after $16.25 a month credit for 18 months credit applied within 2 bills. If canceled early, remaining balance due. Unlimited basic after $630.20, pay $32 a month per line with autopay. Data deprioritization during congestion. Coverage and offer not available everywhere. Speed maximums, use rules, $30 activation fee, and restrictions apply.
Wednesday, July 3rd, it's the Houston Dynamo and the New York Red Bulls, presented by your Houston Ford dealers. Special $7 tickets are available with $1 hot dogs and $3 beers all game long. Visit HoustonDynamo.com.
Mix 96.5 traffic.
From the WestsideLexus.com traffic desk, your traffic report is sponsored by Typhoon Texas Water Park. No accidents on the main lanes. Watch out on the Gulf Freeway northbound before Lockwood for a disabled vehicle sitting on a right shoulder. Typhoon Texas Water Park in Katy is good, clean, fun for everyone. A splash pad for kids, thrilling rides for teens, margaritas for moms. Typhoon Texas is now open all summer. Get season passes at TyphoonTexas.com. Low of 76 tonight, high of 92 tomorrow. Mix kicks off your workday with 3 hours of commercial-free music from 9 to noon. All music 9 to noon. Make sure and put us on at work. I'm Laura Reynolds on Mix 96.5.
The only way you can take Mix 96.5 with you is the radio.com app. Download it today and listen to us anytime, anywhere.
It's Mix 96.5.
Say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised. It happens every time. It's nothing new.